Hello, grammar enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English grammar series. In today's lesson, we're going to explore the wonderful world of possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are a crucial part of English grammar, and by the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of how to use them correctly. So, let's dive in. Possessive adjectives. What are they? First, let's clarify what possessive adjectives are. Possessive adjectives are words that show ownership or possession. They are used to describe who something belongs to. These adjectives help us add detail and clarity to our sentences. Common possessive adjectives. Here are the most common possessive adjectives in English. My, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. These adjectives are used to show to whom something belongs. Using possessive adjectives. Now, let's see how to use possessive adjectives in sentences. In the sentence, "This is my book," my is the possessive adjective because it shows that the book belongs to me. Here's another one. Is this your car? In this case, your is the possessive adjective indicating that the car belongs to you. Possessive adjectives for plural nouns. Possessive adjectives work the same way for plural nouns. Let's take a look. In the sentence, "These are our cats," our is the possessive adjective, showing that the cats belong to us. And in this example, "Those are their books," their indicates that the books belong to them. Possessive adjectives for singular nouns and gender. Possessive adjectives also account for gender. Here's how they work. In the sentence, "His hat is red," his is the possessive adjective, and it matches the gender of hat, which is masculine. And in this example, "Her dress is beautiful," her matches the gender of dress, which is feminine. Common mistakes to avoid. Before we conclude, let's highlight some common mistakes to watch out for when using possessive adjectives. One common mistake is confusing its with its. Remember, its is the possessive form, and its is a contraction for it is or it has. Another error to avoid is using an apostrophe with possessive adjectives. For example, it's incorrect to write yours or theirs. Practice exercises. Now that we've covered the basics, let's practice using possessive adjectives. I'll give you a sentence, and you can fill in the blank with the appropriate possessive adjective. That brings us to the end of our possessive adjectives lesson. You now have a solid understanding of how to use my, your, his, her, its, our, and their to show ownership. Keep practicing, and soon, it'll become second nature. Thank you for watching. And if you found this lesson helpful, please like and subscribe for more grammar lessons. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. Happy learning! Stay tuned for more exciting grammar lessons, and until next time, keep honing your English language skills. Goodbye.